Welcome to beautiful, beautiful Bulgaria. Welcome to Pernik. Well, this is a special event for us, but also for you. On Saturday, we celebrate our 10-year anniversary. Yeah! And what a crazy journey it has been. But hey, we're here today, and we still stand. Despite all the obstacles put in front of us, many, many obstacles, we're still going strong. Never give up! Never give up! So, what's on the menu? How about 26 obstacles for starters? Of course, we cannot do an event without the kids. And here we are, we have got Crystal right here, building an obstacle. We've got Billy in the background. It's his birthday today, by the way. So say happy birthday when you see him. Yeah, happy birthday. That's for you, kids. That's for you. You'll be running, you'll be climbing, you'll be crawling, you'll be getting wet, you'll be getting muddy. That's what's on the menu. You'll get that feeling of being a child again, and there's nothing wrong with that. In the festival area, there will be plenty of activities going on for the adults, for the children, for the families, for everybody.
Страхотно да си в България отново, домът на личен рън, а тази година се готвим за най-голямото събитие в нашата история. Защо? Защото празнуваме 10 години!
The big highlight is what's right behind me. The big stage, as you can see. So we'll be having live music, of course, a bit of rock, a bit of hip-hop, a bit of this, and a bit of that. You'll be loving it. Top DJs on the day, just to keep you going all day and all night long. This is where the party's at. 24 hours to go, Bulgaria, 24 hours to go. The production team are still working around the clock, making sure that we are ready for you on Saturday.
Големия въпрос – как ще отпразнуваме рождения си ден? С много изненади. Първо, за първи път ще имаме пълноправно детско трасе. След това, зад мене виждате сцената, на която ще има гигантски концерт, 100 кила, Fire, DJ Дончо и много други. Ще имаме барове и какво ли още не. Не забравяйте също така, че тази година събитието ще бъде кешлес. Какво означава това? Няма да приемаме плащания в кеш, само и единствено карти. Разбира се, ще има пунктове, на които ще могат да обмените банкноти за карти.
We hope that you're ready. We hope that you're excited. And we hope you have fun.
Are you satisfied?
Тази година свършихме доста работа по това да ви осигуриме нов паркинг, така че сравнено с 2022 капацитетът е доста увеличен, но това не означава, че е безграничен. Моля ви, групирайте се, за да може да стигне паркинга за всички, а така пазите природата.
Okay, that's it. We've given you all the information you need to know. All we're going to say to you now is get some rest, get some sleep, and we see you in the morning.
And good luck!
All right.